In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to onboard new employees in QuickBooks Time. We'll walk through the full setup so your team can start tracking hours and submitting timesheets smoothly from day one. Open QuickBooks. Online, go to All Apps, select Time, and launch QuickBooks Time. If you don't see it, you may need the right access or to add the app to your subscription. Once you're in, head to the top navigation and click My Team. This page shows your existing employees and is the hub for managing who's on your time tracking roster. It's a great moment to quickly scan for duplicates or inactive profiles you no longer need to keep things clean. To add someone new, click Add Employee. Enter their name and email address, then choose the right role. Administrator for full settings and company-wide control. Manager for team oversight and approvals, or team member for basic time entry and schedule viewing. Picking the right role now prevents permission issues later. Next, assign access and permissions. Decide who can submit or edit time entries, which managers will handle approvals, and how notifications will work. Align these with your internal policies. For example, allow edits only before approval to keep timesheets accurate, and enable manager approvals so hours are reviewed before they reach payroll. Set up the employee's schedule by assigning shifts in the schedule area. This ensures they can see when and where they're expected to work. Then, under Notifications, turn on Clock In and Clock Out reminders. Choose the timing and delivery method so nudges are helpful without being intrusive, and confirm the time zone is correct. Introduce both mobile and web access to your employees. Show them how to log in from the mobile app and the web, then demonstrate the essentials, clocking in and out, as viewing upcoming schedules and submitting time-off requests. A quick walkthrough up front helps reduce questions and missed punches later. Finally, confirm payroll integration. Make sure each employee is correctly linked for payroll so their approved time flows to the right profile. Once approvals are in place, those hours will sync with QuickBooks Online Payroll automatically. Before the first payroll run, review a sample timesheet to confirm everything lines up. That's how to onboard employees in QuickBooks Time for accurate time tracking and payroll. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share.